Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a website called as windy.com. This site is very useful for predicting the weather, and it shows various things like temperature, rain, thunder, wind, waves, and even hurricanes. The good thing about the site is that you can even see the predictions, the forecasts for a time range, and you can also create animations, video from these visualizations that you see here, and you can share it with someone. Okay, so now if you come here, you will see various things here like EC, ECMWF, GFS, icon. So these are various forecast models. So GF is global forecasting model. ECMWF is European one, so that is the most widely used across the world. So we will keep that as default. And on the right side you see various things. So for example, if I click on radar and satellite, I can see the satellite weather radar view of it. So now if you go into a particular city, say for example Bangalore. Okay, so let me go to Bangalore. So it will show me the weather prediction for Bangalore. So what I will do is, now from here I want to see how the weather would look like. So here you see rain and thunder map. Based on this I can see the scope of rain. So this much rain is predicted in these areas. Now if I want to see how it would look like in Wednesday, on Wednesday I see here there's chances of rain in Shirdi. Now if I move across, I can see various things like this. I don't see a chance of rain. Now if you see Nellore, here I see rain. Now you can click on this to see rain accumulation for the next 24 hours. Then you can click on this wind to see the wind. You can change this to kilometer per, you can change the unit from here. If I say meter per second, miles per hour, kilometer per hour. Now here in India mostly you see moderate wind speeds, but now let me zoom out and show you somewhere else where the wind speed may not be normal. Yeah, so if you see here you have very high speed wind here, 52 kilometer per hour. So based on that you see 70 kilometer per hour here. So now here it shows me color coded wind speeds, which again is very useful. Now if I want to go back to Bangalore, I just type in Bangalore here. So I'm back in Bangalore. If I want to zoom in, I can zoom in. There is also 3D available for this. Now if I want to see air quality, even I can see those things from here. Air quality data. Now if I want to see clouds there, I can see that. So as of now I have put Thursday. What is the cloud buildup in that area? I can see that from this. So in this way, if you see visibility, I can see the visibility in these areas, which is an important information for aviation industry. If you see somewhere here, the visibility is low, 2 kilometer only, but somewhere like Davangere we have 14.4 kilometer visibility, and in areas like this we have 5.3 kilometer visibility. Then we can see low clouds. So as you can see here, there are a lot of clouds here. There are chances of rainfall here. In this way you can navigate through and find out and access the weather information in your area. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.